Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the sound effects on the Babbel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings icon. At the left side on the screen you can find the first option, the settings. Scroll down and in the general section you can find the second option, the sound effects. And if you want to enable, just click to the next white square icon and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.